Do you use Google Keep just for jotting down quick notes? Then you're missing out on some seriously powerful features. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Keep more efficiently, so you can turn simple notes into a smart productivity system that actually works. First, let's talk about organization. Most people just dump all their notes in one place, but you can use labels and colors to group them instantly. For example, make yellow notes for personal tasks, blue for work, and green for ideas. To add a label, just type #work or #personal inside your note and Google Keep automatically sorts them for you. This makes it super easy to find things later, even if you have hundreds of notes. Next, learn to pin and archive your notes. Pin important notes like your to-do list so they always stay at the top. And when you're done, archive them to keep your workspace clean, without deleting anything. Also, don't forget the search bar. You can search by color, label, image, or even text inside photos, thanks to Google's OCR technology. Yep, Google Keep can read text from your images, that's powerful. Now here's where things get really cool. You can record voice notes, and Google Keep will automatically transcribe them into text. Perfect when you're driving or multitasking. And if you're working on group projects, hit Collaborator to share a note with teammates. Everyone can edit in real time, just like Google Docs, but simpler. Want to take it even further? Integrate Keep with Google Docs and Calendar. From Google Docs, click Tools, Keep Notepad to drag and drop your notes directly into your document. Or set reminders that sync with Google Calendar, so you'll never miss a deadline again. So, there you go, labels, pins, voice notes, and integrations. Once you use these efficiently, Google Keep becomes more than a notepad, it becomes your digital brain. Try these tips today, and you'll see how much smoother your day gets. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.